Hello everyone, what is up? This is your friend Adrian here, and I want to welcome you to this private masterclass training. I hope everybody can hear me and also see me. I believe my camera is on as well. All right, so we're gonna give a little couple of more minutes so all the folks can join. I've just sent my live email, so it's good that you are here already, and we're gonna have an awesome masterclass training today. Really glad that you're here. So if everybody can hear me loud and clear, please give me a 1 in the chat box right now. So I'm waiting for your sorry. Awesome. So many ones coming in. That's cool. So everybody can see me, everybody can hear me. That's great. Say, hey, John, Stephanie, Dinesh, Nick, Michael, Marshall, Angus. Welcome everybody. Okay, so before we started, and let's just give 2-3 more minutes for everybody to connect. Just tell me, where is everybody coming from today? South Wales. Awesome. Bill is from South Wales. That's awesome. Mike is from his phone. Stephanie's from PA, India. Okay, nice. We have people all over the world. We have John from UK. We have Michael from US. Ray from Pittsburgh. David, Utah. Marshall from Wilmington. That's great. Michigan is Javen. Nice to have you all here. So Candice from UK as well. So we got people around the world connected with us today. That's great. Now, I want to ask everybody, if is this the first time you are connecting to this private masterclass, or you've attended the one that we had yesterday? So if you've been, this is the first one, give me a 1. If it's the second time you connect with us, give me a 2. Really quick. Sorry. All right, so seems like John is the second time here. Peter is the first. Marshall, Nick, everybody seems to be the first time. All right, so for those who have not been in yesterday's training, it's going to be a bit similar with the one that we had yesterday, but we've added a little bit more extra in this one because we want to give even more value. And based on the first one that we had the other day, this one is going to be really interesting. So it's good that everybody is connected today. We're going to kickstart this really soon. Now, in this private webinar masterclass, we're going to show you how to profit with local clients and artificial intelligence chatbot that you can install in just a few minutes to any of your local clients or local prospects. And we're going to also show you how to close prospects with the same kind of services with chatbots. All right. Now, for everybody that has these questions, I know we're receiving this a lot. It's live. This webinar is live, and it's the live as it can be. You see me on camera. You also see my screen, and I'm also going to pick up some questions from the chat box. First of all, big shout out to my man Dennis from the chat. He's going to answer all of your questions while I do the training. All right. Now I'm going to stop my camera right now, and so you can see the full screen, so we don't have interferences here, so you can pay attention to the webinar. All right. Sounds great. Awesome. Ron asks, what is a chatbot? We'll get into that really soon, and I'm sure, Ron, that you're gonna love what is a chatbot. It's just a artificial intelligence program that actually closes deals and answers your customers in your behalf. Yeah, you'll see in a minute. So let's go ahead and move on with this training. All right, a little fair warning about this. Now, this training is going to be filled with real local business scenarios that you can simply replicate, okay? So I just wanted to give you a fair warning about this. This can be applied in your business, and it also can be applied in your customer's business. Awesome. So in this live masterclass training, we're going to reveal to you how you can use the power of artificial intelligence to book 10 times more clients without a single cold call. Now, I do want to have a brief introduction about who I am and why you should be listening to me on this live training. So my name is Adrian Ishvan, and I'm the CEO of Bright Web Technologies and X360 Marketing. Probably most of you have bought one of my softwares in the past, either Mapify 360, Local Profits 360, Agency Profits 360, and we have a bunch of other awesome softwares that we've put together for our customers. All right. Now, alongside my partners, Christian and Han, we had successfully helped over 10,000 local consultants, agency owners, or local business owners, just like you, to find and close other local businesses with the help of our software platforms called Mapify 360, Local Profits 360, and even X-Leads 360. All of the softwares has been developed and has been created by us. And we are going to continue to provide marketers with continuous and ingenious solutions for better local marketing results. Okay. Now a little bit of bragging. So we've made over 7 figures in software business, 7-figure dollars in software business. We've also reached 6 figures by providing local marketers and online marketers with custom solutions. So some of the solutions include the ones that are presented here in this training today. We're also social media based entrepreneurs, so we use a lot of social media in our promotional campaigns, and we're also artificial intelligence technology enthusiasts. So myself, I really love artificial intelligence, and I love how a simple robot can make can actually buy me more time and do other things on my behalf while I simply enjoy the rest of my day and I go on with my life. All right. So this is why artificial intelligence technology is going to be the future, and you'll soon understand why. And the first line of that are chatbots. We're going to get into that really quick. So now that we got that out of our way, there's one more thing before we start, and it's kind of the rules of the house, if you don't mind. All right. So if you pay attention to this call, I can promise you that by the end of it, you'll know exactly how to use and sell artificial intelligence technology to get more leads, conversions, and sales for yourself or for your local clients. Does that sound fair? Just give me a 1 in the chat box if that sounds fair. All right, so a lot of ones are coming in. John says 1. Peter, Steve is agreeing with me. Lowell, that's nice. Rick, Bill, Nick, Harvard, everybody seems to be agreeing with me on this one. And I'm glad you do, because it's going to be a real show. Now, there's something more that I do want to take off my chest right now from the beginning. I am not a native English speaker. So if you can hear me and if you can understand me clearly, just give me a 5 in the chat box really quick, so I know that everybody can understand me and I'm not going too fast or too slow. All right, so I'm waiting for the 5s in the chat rooms. And while you type, so a lot of 5s, everybody seems to be understanding me just fine. I do apologize if I do have some accent or if I mess some words from here to there, but I believe I'll still be able to teach you something awesome in this masterclass. All right, cool. Now, it's something I do want to also tell you right from the start. I do have an offer at the end of this call, but it's really good, I promise, and it won't be expensive. That's my promise to you. So I'm not hiding behind this monitor, acting like there's no offer at the end of it. There is an offer, but I promise you it's going to be the best offer that you've seen this week. All right, cool. But even if you don't take advantage of the offer at the end, I promise you what you're about to learn today will change the way you do business with local clients and other local business owners. Yes, this is what we teach here, and it can be used in every niche, any and every niche actually. My goal today is to take you by the hand and show you how you can use artificial intelligence chatbots. Even if you don't know what a chatbot is, you're going to find out by the end of this training what exactly is a chatbot and how you can replicate this to close 10 times more leads, clients, and conversions. I will also be revealing the 3 secret methods to boost your profits using chatbots. And by the end of this training, you're going to discover how you can use artificial intelligence chatbots to, as I said before, 10 times your leads, clients, and conversions, how you can sell these artificial intelligence chatbots to local business owners. Now, here's the real kicker, because here is where the money is in the second bullet point here. All right, everybody got that? Stephanie, if you already purchased into the offer that's going to be on the end of the webinar, stick with us until the end, because there's still a lot of training to be done here. And I'm sure that you're also going to agree with us when we're going to reveal even more of the hidden power of ChatterPal has to offer. Cool. And also, let's continue. I also want to tell you that I'm also going to tell you, how these bots can make you profits 24/7 and 7 days per week, because they do all the hard work for you behind the scenes, and they can do it 24/7, 7 days a week. They don't need pause. They don't need to be paid. They're just going to be there for you non-stop. All right? Cool. Let's continue then. So why I'm doing this call? A lot of you may ask why I'm doing this call. Well, there's a new artificial intelligence driven technology app that's just been released. It's called ChatterPal. All right. So this is the offer that I've been telling you about that's going to be hidden at the end of this training. But don't rush into getting it yet, because we still have a lot to cover about ChatterPal, and we're also going to do a live demo with it. So here's the story behind it. Paul, a friend of mine, has launched a solid platform that enables everyone and anyone, regardless of their technical skills, to use artificial intelligence technology to do all the hard work for you. And I wanted to help you understand what's good about it and what isn't so good about it. I figured a lot of you would be interested in letting the computer do all the hard work for you every once in a while, right? Who's agreeing with me on this one? Who would like the computer to do all the hard work for him for once in a while? Or even better, 24/7, 7 days a week? Just give me a one in the chat box real quick. And let's see the chat. Let me check the chat really quick. So Chandra says me. Stephanie all the time. Yes. Peter says yes. Love it. 1. Everybody giving a 1. That's awesome. Charles says agreeing with me. That's great. Javon, great. I love that you guys are really active in this chat, because this is live, and I really enjoy having people conversate with me and do this training together. Don't leave me alone here. All right. Angus says there's a fire alarm in his building and they're being evacuated. Well, Angus, go ahead and connect back when when that ends, or we're gonna mail you the replay later on. Conrad says already bought from Paul. I'm sorry, Conrad. Well, we're still gonna do this training. Don't worry. Even if you got ChatterPal since yesterday, it's still fine to be on this training, because we had a lot of value to share with you today, and also some sneaky methods that's gonna help you use ChatterPal to even more than you can imagine. All right, so let's continue. But we're getting a bit tired of hearing about the hype, right? So I'm going to give you some raw good, bad, and ugly on how to profit with AI technology in today's training. So it makes perfect sense to stick with us until the end of the training. So if you stay until the end, I will reveal to you the sneaky methods that turns any local niche combined with the chatbots into a gold mine, guys. So let me get back to this slide, because a lot of people are gonna just buy ChatterPal and then just install it on their website, and that's where the story ends. Install it on the website, and they never think how to make more profits by using such advanced chatbots. All right, but in this training, I'm going to show you how you can turn this simple chatbot into a gold mine by using local clients. Cool. So plus some super exclusive bonuses that I will reveal to you soon on this call, and that is only for members that attended to this call today. So you're in the right place at the right time. I think we can get this started now. I did want to start this training by showing you some mind-blowing statistics about the power of chatbots and where we are heading on the following years. Because everybody is just thinking about tomorrow. Well, we're different. We're thinking way ahead of our time, and we're thinking, what can we do today to increase our revenue over the following years? And as you can see from this screenshot right here, the revenues from the artificial intelligence for enterprise application market worldwide from 2016 to 2025 estimated in millions of US dollars. So guys, this is in millions. Look at the screen. We are here in 2019, so we're at 2,860,000 as a market share and that's in $1 million. And look at how fast this trend will grow just in the next 4 years. All right, but it's happening right now. It's happening in 2019. It's hot and trending right now. We're going to reveal that at the end, Ron. Thanks for asking. Now, guys, if you want to take screenshots, you are allowed to take screenshots because we're going to move really quick over the next couple of slides where we have some more statistics that I do want to share with you. So if you want to take a screenshot, please do it right now. Save this slide because we're going to do the next one. All right. So a little bit about chatbots versus applications. Which of these benefits do you most associate with communicating with your business? So are you using apps or are you using chatbots? And as you can see from the statistics here, a lot of people are actually preferring chatbots in a lot of tasks. So for example, quick answers to simple questions. 69% of people would opt for a chatbot to do that instead of an app. Now, getting a 24-hour service, also chatbot leads the way in front of the applications. Convenience for you and customers is 53%. Quick answer to complex questions, look at this, 38%. Ease of communication still up. Getting detailed expert answers, 28%. And a good customer experience, 28%. Friendliness and approachability, 22%. And you can see that none of this is just 6% and 7%. So everybody seems to be enjoying using chatbots in their business. All right. Cool. Let's get to the next one. The potential benefits of chatbots. Well, they're simpler. More and more millennials and baby bloomers are showing up online every single day. All right. So this new market are actually requesting fast answers, and they request to have an immediate answer, and that's going to influence a lot their purchase decision, their sign up decision. A lot of decisions are made if you interact with the user that landed in the first 5 minutes on your site, and the chatbot can really do that for you. So 24-hour service covered 66%, getting an instant response, again, very big. Answers to simple questions, bam, you get over 50%. Easy communications, close to 50%. Complaints resolved quickly, that's 38%. But using this makes a lot of sense to close more customers that lands on your site or even on your local businesses, local clients' website. This is going to help them tremendously. I mean, that's going to increase their client closing rate, and this is going to benefit you on the end, because that way that customer of yours is going to be willing to do more business with you. All right, so now the last one about the stats that I want to share with you is the response time, and that's a crucial part. All right, the response time is by communication channel. How soon would you expect to get a response on each of these channels? So look at the screen right now, guys. This is a very important statistic right here. It tells us a lot of how we should do business in the future. So as you can see, a normal conventional letter gets 60% instant response. from users. You get the email, which is at 27%. Then you get the web form at 34%. Social media, only 40%. Apps, you get 55%. By telephone, that's a bit higher, 64%. But look at the last ones. You get online chat and chatbots dominating this at 77% and 75%. I hope you can see the value behind using chatbots and online chats, not only in your business, but also for your clients' businesses to get them that instant response. You get it? Cool. Let's continue. And now you would say, okay, Adrian, that's great, but who needs these services? So can anybody from our room tell us who do you think is going to need this service the most? Just type in the chat box really quick. Who do you think is going to need these services? Let me quickly check up the chat right here. Come on, guys, don't be shy. Just tell me in the chat box, who do you think this is for, and who do you think it can use this to grow their business? All right, so we got Chandra saying dentist. Peter says very many. That's cool. Ecom. Yes, that's right. Every local business owner. Bill is absolutely right. Local businesses, agencies, restaurants, small businesses, agency, chiropractors. That's it, guys. Yeah, it seems like you understand who this is for. But let me tell you a secret about who can use this. It's not only the local businesses that can use this. It's not only the e-com that can use this. You can also use this. Yes, Gadrel just completed the sentence, marketers. That's right. You guys are marketers. You probably do local consultancy. You do local business. You do local, you provide local services to local businesses. That's right. And you can be one. You can be the one to use this service to get even more clients and then sell the same kind of service to those clients that you just pitched by using these 24/7 chatbots on your websites and on your landing pages, lead capturing pages, webinar pages, you name it. You can use the same technology. You can use the same technology to land more clients in your business, and then use the very same technology to sell it as a service to the businesses that just sign up with you. All right. Does this make sense? Give me a one in a chat box really quick if what I've just said makes sense for everybody. All right, so everybody seems to be agreeing with me on this one. Okay, 111. A lot of one in the chat. I really love the action, guys. You're on the fly today. I love it. I simply love it. Now, as you guys says, this is actually for everybody, starting from online marketers, affiliate marketers, e-com stores owners, local businesses, local consultants, agency owners, and the list can go on and on as long as your imagination is open for it. That's great. A lot of people agreeing with me on this one. But in this masterclass, we are going to show you how you can use these artificial intelligence chatbots to make money from any niche, not just your local business, but also from any other niche that you can think of. And there are two major ways to profit from using artificial intelligence and chatbots by the end of this masterclass. And I'm going to reveal to you both of the ways. I think I fairly already did. The first one, as I mentioned, is install this chatbot on your own lead capturing pages, your own website, blogs, whatever you have, install it there. It will guarantee to give you more customers engaged from first minute that they land on your website. And this is going to allow you to increase your leads, conversions, and client closing rates, not just minutes from days, but 24/7, guys. This is going to help you as well getting more businesses on your business. I'm sorry. Let me just get a sip of water. Now, the second way to use this is to sell it as a service to local clients that I've just told you about. You can start your 6 figures a year business model for simply installing an automated chatbots on any local business owner's websites that you find, and it does not have a chatbot installed. And remember, guys, most of you here already have Mapify 360, Local Profits 360, XLeads 360, so you can find all the customers that you need with our software, and simply copy pasting a single line of code can get you earn a 6-figure business by the end of the year. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to demonstrate to you really, really soon. Oh, Peter is telling me he's not using WordPress. This works with anything. I mean, you can have it implemented in ConvertKit, you can have it in ClickFunnels, and you can also have it inserted in your Webinar Jam platform, as I did a couple of days ago. I had it on my Webinar Jam. So it works on any site that you can think of, right? Cool. Let's continue. You can bank anywhere from $200 to $500 for providing these automated chatbots installation services to local businesses. Who's agreeing with me that you can charge about $200 to $500 just to set up a chatbot for these business owners? Now remember, business owners have no clue how to do this, and neither they have the technical skills to get this kind of chatbots installed on their server. So who's agreeing with me that you can get this kind of money for a simple installation of a performant automated chatbot on any local business website? Oops, sorry about that, Bet. I had a misspell there. Sorry about that. Cool. Okay, so everybody in the chat, let's see. Okay, I agree. Yes, after you grow your brand, sure, absolutely, says Charles. Stephanie says sure. Beth is telling me that I've misspelled my chatbot. Yeah, that's correct. I'm sorry about that. Mike gives me a 5. That's great. And cool. And all this can be done in just 3 simple steps. Look at the screen, guys, and follow me closely, because I'm going to reveal every step that you need to take in order to start doing the same, installing these kind of bots to your local businesses. So step 1 would be to find local businesses that has no chatbots installed on their website. And trust me on this one, 90% out there has no chatbots whatsoever installed. They don't even have a live support bot on their website. So they're pretty common that you're not going to find these chatbots installed or any website that you are being able to find with Mapify or Local Profits 360. All right. Now, step 2 would be to contact these business owners, and with using our done for you email templates that converts prospects to clients for this service. And these done for you email templates are personally crafted by me to close local prospects into customers for selling this exact type of businesses. I'm referring to chatbots, and it's all included into our bonus package. Step 3, the last step that you need to take is, once you close the client, is configure and install a simple chatbot using ChatterPal in less than 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you how to do that as well in a quick demo throughout this masterclass. Now, all you have to do, once you get the first client assigned, once you install the first bot on your first client, all you have to do is just repeat the same steps with the next local prospect and the next local prospect and the next local prospect after this. All right. So the market is really huge, guys. You don't have to limit yourself on the city that you're from. You can go beyond that. I've had customers from all around the world. Even though I'm from Romania, I do have clients from Romania. I do have clients from all around the US, UK, you name it. I close clients from everywhere around the world. Actually, the US based one are paying me the most money, so it makes perfect sense for me to target customers based in US. And the beauty of it, that you can do all remotely. You don't have to meet face to face with the client. You just show him a demo, and then you just install this chatbot on his site and get paid for doing that. Cool. Now, as I mentioned, how to find these unlimited local leads? Well, you can use any of our top lead finding solutions. I'm sure you at least have one of them. Local Profits 360, Mapify 360, Exist 360. All of these three softwares that we've developed is going to help you get the customers to sell this kind of services. All right, cool. Now I do one, and let's do the math quickly because this is going to shock you. All right, it's going to be shocking. So who wants to see the math behind this and the potential earning that you are looking at just by doing this simple service, three-step simple service installation to local businesses? Stephanie says, I love Mapify 360. I'm glad I hear that, Stephanie. I really enjoy good feedback. Okay, does this work with customers from non-English language countries? Absolutely, it has to work because ChatterPal is covering all of this. So ChatterPal works any country in any language. You'll soon find out because I'm going to demo this really quick. All right, so here's the math behind it. First month, let's consider that in the first month, okay, seems like we're having some microphone issues. Can anybody hear me loud and clear? Give me a one really quick in the chat box so I can continue. It seems like we're having some technical issues again. Come on, guys, give me a quick one in the chat room if you can hear me clear. All right, so everybody seems to be hearing me just fine. That's great. Thanks for jumping in like that. Great. Yeah, let's continue. If you can't hear me, simply just refresh the page or reconnect. You're gonna be back. Cool. Everybody seems to hear me. Cool. Let's continue. So let's make an exercise of imagination. So let's consider that in your first month you are managing to install a chatbot on 10 local clients' websites. All right. You can ask for an installation fee of $97, and trust me that this is a low price. You can ask $197 for such installation, but I've just made the minimum, so you're gonna have really quick clients on this $97. All right, and then you're gonna have a monthly fee of administration of $49. Now that's total earned per client as $146. That's about $150. Just one client. Now the total earned per client, per 10 clients, will be $1,406, which from $490 would be recurring revenue in your business for administration of these chatbots. All right, and this is just, I think everybody can sign 10 local clients at least in their very first month, but you can go way beyond that. Just think about if you can install it on 30 clients every single month. Would this make sense? Would this grow your business twice or even triple? Okay, Dinesh says nobody paying $50 for a bot installation. You'll be wondering how people are paying for stuff they don't know how to do. Great. Now, for the first year, if you install many chatbots as you can, here are the estimates that you can do just from the first year. You're gonna have at least 5-figure business in a business. You're looking at a 5-figure business model from there, and you can easily go to 6-figure business model. But once you have this, once you have got their user attention and you got the first bot installed, that business owner will be calling you to deliver even more services. So this can be just an entry point for opening up more upsells, more services to these clients. All right, cool. Let's skip the math and tell you about the ugly part of it, because there is an ugly part. There's always an ugly part in everything. The cost for this artificial intelligence bot is not something it's not that affordable. All right, so not everybody can go ahead and have these chats installed. So if you don't know what service to choose, you might end up losing thousands of dollars in month after month. Chatbots is a market segment that can be quite costly if you don't know which one to choose. Here's just some example of what other chatbots are charging on a monthly basis. All right, so these are some of the top bots. I've been doing the research last night, and I found the best and the most professional bots out there that doesn't even merely does what ChatterPal is able to do, but yet they do charge $240 per month, guys. And this is per month, this price per month. And there's also others that charging up to $300 a month. As you can see, another one is charging, and this is the cheapest that I could find, is $149 a month. Would you think local businesses would be willing to pay this kind of service month after month and configure that themselves? Of course not. And neither would you. I mean, you wouldn't spend $300 to have access to this kind of bots, right? Every single month. It would be crazy. I mean, you're going to end up broke in the first 3 months. You're going to have spent over $1,000. And that's not the target right here today. It's quite expensive, right? But you don't have to worry about it because we've got you covered with a better, smarter, and even more inexpensive solution that's called ChatterPal. And it's on early bird as we're doing this masterclass right now. And now the fun part, who's ready to see ChatterPal in action? Just give me a quick one in the chat box if you're ready to see ChatterPal in action, because I'm gonna kick it up right here on my screen. All right, let me check the chat. So there's a lot of ones coming in. Charles says, Eric, Bill, Steve, Deborah, Dinesh, okay, Conrad, Javon, I'm sorry, Deborah, Fred, everybody seems to be excited about what ChatterPal can do and how you can use ChatterPal to actually do all what we've mentioned in this training so far. Cool, everybody jumping on, a lot of ones in the chat room, that's cool. All right, let me just check the, okay, but where we at? Let me just check where we at right now, because, oh yeah, we still have a couple of slides. We're gonna jump in that because I do want to tell you about the massive bonus package. Let me just make this again presenter. All right, sec. Okay, so I do want to tell you about the massive bonus pack that we've put together to go hand in hand with ChatterPal. All right, so we're not going to leave you dry with ChatterPal, not knowing what to do next, not knowing how to make money with ChatterPal, because we've tested it and we've think about all the methods, and we even made a special training just for ChatterPal that's included in our bonus. But more about that later. Now let's jump in and let me show you ChatterPal. We're soon going to cover the bonuses that I've put together. Here's my mug right here. You can see me. And you're soon going to have access to this page as well. But first, let's jump into ChatterPal. ChatterPal app login. Okay, cool. Because I'm going to walk you through everything and show you exactly how you can do, how you can create these simple chatbots in just minutes. All right. And I'm also going to reveal to you some awesome features that ChatterPal includes that nobody else is telling you about. All right. So let's go ahead, and this is the first page that you're going to see once you join ChatterPal. And you have to navigate to my campaigns. As you can see, I already have 3 ones. I did this last masterclass training. I also did this for the webinar registration page. And also I did a test campaign. But let's go ahead and start a new campaign with ChatterPal. Now, guys, this is the platform that I've been telling you about. It's called ChatterPal. Felicia says already got it, but loves my masterclass. Don't worry, Felicia. If you already got, and everybody who already has ChatterPal, I'm glad that you're still on the call with us. I really appreciate you as well. Even though if you're not going to purchase ChatterPal from us, we're still want to give you this awesome demonstration and masterclass, and I'm really glad everybody's here. One more thing, if you did purchase ChatterPal by now, there's still going to be some amazing OTOs that going to enable you to do even more with ChatterPal, and we're going to review all the OTOs by the end of this masterclass. That's my promise to you. So let's go ahead and create our first campaign. Now you have two options here. You can either choose chat and avatar, or you can either use avatar. Now, to be completely honest about this, I did say that I'm going to cover the ugly about it, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to go raw on this one. I would prefer to have only the chat here. All right. So I would not want to have avatar. I'm seeing these two options, but I would like to have only the chat. Maybe sometimes I don't want to use the avatar, so I just want to use the chat. Who knows? I'm going to reach Paul and ask him if he can add that option for everybody. Maybe I'll have success and get that option in there. Stephanie, if you already purchased, yes, you can still get bonuses. If you purchase ChatterPal, you can still get all my bonuses if you upgrade from us after this masterclass is ending. Okay, so let's go ahead and select the chat and avatar. Here, you're going to be presented with a lot of avatars that you can choose from. You got women, you got men, you got a lot of options here. And let me just go through every single option so everybody can see all these cool looking avatars. Logan has a head now. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm going to go with Logan anyway because he has a white t-shirt. Okay, I'm going to go with Logan and select this as my main character. Cool. You also have characters that you can use for various local businesses. So let's say if you have a handyman or a construction site website, you can pitch this one. You still have in suit, people in suit. That's cool for lawyers, for a lot of business related niches. You got Donna, you got Eric. This can be an electrician. You got an artist right here. It's called Hero. Let's see. You also have in the fitness niche, dentists, doctors, chiropractors. This Javier can be used for those niches. All right. Jennifer, Julia. Okay, so here's how many options you got just to use with ChatterPal. And you even have Santa Claus. If you can believe it, you have Santa Claus as well. And that's really nice. You have bodybuilding, a lot of options right here. Another thing that you have option to select animals. If you're dealing with kids website, with kindergartens, with I don't know, everything that's related to kids, this is going to be a great avatar pick for those. Yeah, we do have Santa, the raccoon, and we have raccoons here. Cool. But if you don't want to use any of the 3D avatars that's available in ChatterPal, you can also upload your own green screen avatar right here. So you can upload files, you can choose a green screen, and you can have it uploaded into ChatterPal and have it all synced out. Cool. Let's go to the next step. So I selected my character here. Where's Logan? All right, Logan. It's selected. Oh yeah, it's selected. Great. Awesome. Let's go ahead and hit next. Now, here's where the magic really happens behind the scenes. I'm sorry about the screen. I can make it bigger. Let me just try to zoom in. Is this better? I still want to cover everything. Cool. I'm gonna leave it like that. Cool. Okay, now here is actually where the magic happens behind the scenes. You can go ahead and use a text-to-speech technology, which allows you to simply enter any text here, like, hey, my name is Adrian. Good to have you here. Thanks for visiting us. You can type any chat that you want here, and what this is going to do is going to transform your inserted text into audio, into voiceover, using a highly new technology that's really lifelike voice. All right. Now, since I'm on my microphone, I can't replicate any of the voices here, but you're soon gonna find out how amazing these voices really are. Now, you can also select the voice that you want here, and also here's how many languages this works in. It even works in my language, which is Romanian here. We got Russian, we got Swedish, we got Turkish, we got US English, US Spanish, Welsh English, Polish, Norwegian, Korean, German. So pretty much covered with a lot of languages here that you can use for businesses. So as somebody asked us previously if this can be used in any other language. Now here's the proof that you can use in any other language. All right, it might not have one of your languages, but it does have enough language to deal with a lot of clients in other countries as well. Cool. But here's where the secret lies. I really love this part. All right. Here's where you get the ready-made scripts for you. You get ready-made scripts for electricians, event planners, financial planners, florists, gym, hair salon, insurance agents. Join our emailing list for marketers, mechanics, moving companies, offer discounts. Look at this: plumbers, self-software, self-training, e-course, travel agent, veterinarian. I'm sorry. So you get all these niches right here already done for you, templates that you can just use and insert. It's just gonna select one and it's gonna insert all the text that you need here. And you can still add some more. If you think you can add some more, you can just add some more text, make this longer, right? Cool. So you can do this and then just import speech. What I do like to do is put this at 1.1. It's a bit faster and it sounds more naturally if you putting this at 1.1, right? And then you get the pitch. You can also adjust the pitch. Let's see if you have audio. It's not really working for me. It's not working because I'm connected to the webinar, so I can't play the audio, but I'm sure that you can do this. So here it is. Look at the screen. You get 43 seconds of voiceover done by artificial intelligence without paying any voiceover actor, without spending any money on simple voiceovers like this one. All right, cool. Also, you get this cool little option here that allows you to auto translate the script into the selected language. Okay, now I see a lot of questions in the chat. Ron's asking us if we can import other voice. Of course you can. You can even record your own voiceover if you feel like it. I mean, you can record it and then just use your own voice, just like I'm doing right now. You can record your own voice and do your own voiceover, but you can also have this function that allows you to upload voiceovers. But if you're planning to use this to sell this kind of services to local businesses, the fastest way and the cheapest way would be to use this text-to-speech technology, which allows you to create instant voiceovers that you can use right from the start. So you don't have to record, you don't have to spend time recording, you don't have to pay anybody to upload, you don't have to pay anybody to make the voiceover for you. You can simply use this one because it's fairly decent for local businesses to use it. All right, let's go ahead and go to the next step, which is step 3. And here's where we are basically selecting the colors and the look and feel of our chat and animation. I know everybody asked already if we can use logos, and we will use logos, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, I do like this this particular color style. Of course, you have the option to just go and customize this as you want. You can see it's very, very fast to change these colors around. You can put it like that. I'm sorry, this ugly color. Cool. Oh, it's still ugly. Let's put an orange. All right, so you can also customize this to fit your own website or to fit your client's website. Cool. Now, here is where you can change their name. Let's say my name is John Doe. Actually, my name is Adrian. Let's put it Adrian. Right. And I can also use my own avatar, which I'm going to do because I do want to have my own face there. Oh, just a sec. I do have a lot of stuff laying around here. So you can see how much of a mess I am when I'm working. I'm just saving all kind of stuff in. I think you can find it right now. Let me give me one sec. I'm sorry, I can't seem to find my very own image, but I'm going to use this one. I don't care. It's just a demo purpose. You can change this. You can have this shown right here. And another cool option that I really enjoyed was ability to upload my logo on this guy's shirt. Let me find one of my logos here. Let's put Mapify 360 because everybody loves Mapify 360. Is that right? That's great. We have Mapify 360 here. Use logo for the hat. So you can put the logo on the hat and you can also put the logo on the t-shirt itself. Look at that. Now we got Adrian from Mapify 360 right here. And also another option that I really enjoy about ChatterPal is having this option here that's continuously typing. So what this does is actually telling people, hey, there's somebody on the other line that's trying to tell you something. And this is captivating their attention very much. And they're going to sit there and wait it for somebody to chat with them, you know? It's just a natural thing since Facebook and since all these chats been evolving in the past years. They are used to have these 3 dots laying around there, and it's going to capture a lot of attention. Cool. Awesome. Let's continue then. Let's go to the next step. Where's my next step? Cool. Let's go next. So everybody's happy with this. We do have this girl. I'm not happy with the girl here. I do want to change it, but I can't seem to find my own photo. It's just crazy here. I'm just having a lot of stuff laying around here, but not the one that I wanted. It's just crazy. I can't find it right now, guys. Anyway, let's continue like that. Go ahead. And here's where the magic is behind the scenes. And I simply love this part. And you will too. I promise you that. So first step would be to add an action. Now, I know for a lot of you guys, this may seem like rocket science, never seen technology, and yada, yada, yada like that. But I promise you it's not like that. It's fairly simple once you get the catch of it. And I'm going to prove it how simple it actually is to use ChatterPal. You have the ability to create your own smart bots from here. And you can use conditional steps. You can use questions. You can have buttons, URLs, pictures, videos, and also chats. But we're not going to do that because I do want to show you something even more interesting than just building it from scratch. You do have these templates that are ready-made chat trees for you. So the guys behind ChatterPal have thought about kind of everything. You do have chats for appointment and bookings, and you also have the advanced version. You get conference registrations. You get the advanced version as well. You get customer acquisition. You get customer feedback, customer support. I personally love this one. I'm going to use it for my own business since a lot of people are interacting with us over the support tickets. We do have also exit deals. We have join mailing lists, offer coupons, codes, offer discounts. It's a great template. Restaurants, table reservations. I simply love this one. This is great stuff to implement to restaurant business owners. All right. You also have sell softwares. You have sell trainings. You have online orders. There's a lot of restaurants and food. Food distributions that are based online, and this kind of businesses really need these automated chatbots to pick up orders for them. And you can do what you can offer that option by a simple click on this one. You also have webinar registrations. I've been using this one personally, and also get for e-commerce. If there are any other users that are doing e-commerce out there, you can also use this for e-commerce to sell more products within your store. Right. So for the purpose of this demonstration, let's go ahead and use restaurant table reservation. But before I jump into showing you how this chat really looks like, I'm going to tell you that you have a second options, and that's coming with spokespersons, right? So you have way more that you can think of. You have spokesperson here, and these are more niched to local businesses. I mean, you can use this for, look at the screen right now. You got alarm installation company, you got bakery, you got bankruptcy lawyer, you got car dealers, catering, childcare, chiropractors, cleaning services. Let's see what other things we got. You got dentists, you got divorce attorneys, electricians, event planners, financial planners, florists, gym, hair salons, insurance agents. I think you got all the most important local businesses out there already done for you. So guys, let me know which one of these you want to use. You want a restaurant? Just write in the chat room which one of these guys would you rather see in action in this masterclass. Come on, don't be shy. Just pick and choose. We can go with standard, go restaurant table reservation, or we can go with, I don't know, whatever you feel like from this list of niches. Let's see. I'm going to read the chat really quick right now. Let's see. So we got real estate. So Angus says real estate. Seems like he's connected from the phone. That's great. Charles says restaurants. Nick says plumbers. Travel agency says Peter. Chandra says real estate. Okay. Stephanie is going to go with plumber. Real estate agent says Michael. Ray says restaurant niche. All right. Peter thanks Dennis. That's great. Dennis doing a good job. Dennis, thanks for replying everybody on the chat while I'm doing this masterclass lesson. VJ says real estate agents, restaurant reservations. All right, so I think I've noticed about 5 or 6 about restaurant reservations. So I'm sorry everybody else who's I didn't pick your niche, but I'm going to go with restaurant reservations for this niche, and we're going to see how that plays out for us. Let's go ahead and select it. Make sure it's selected on our side. Restaurant table reservation, great. I also like this. It was my first choice as well. Let's go ahead and load this. So you can see you didn't have to create anything from scratch. You get it all done for you inside ChatterPal. That's what I love about this product. I really love it that they did think about this, because not everybody out there knows how to create these bots, but by using this kind of done for you templates, it's easy to understand what's happening behind the scenes. That's why I wanted to start with a template rather than create it from scratch, because there are going to be people who doesn't know what I'm doing, but this way you understand perfectly what's happening behind the scenes. All right, cool. Let's jump into it. The first thing is gonna, hey, welcome to the restaurant name. And you can simply just change this with the business owner's restaurant name. So let's say Joy's barbecue. I don't know, barbecue restaurant, ribs. I've visited twice USA, and I really love the barbecue there and all the ribs that they are doing on this local shop owners, local restaurant owners. And I've seen that a lot in USA. I mean, there's a lot of barbecue local based restaurants. All right. So let's say this, welcome to Joey's barbecue. That's awesome. Now you can also add more. So if you want just to greet people, you can say welcome to Joy's barbecue. Okay, my name is, oh, it seems like it's treated in the next. Let's not mess it up right here, because I've seen it, the question is in the next. And also we got a picture added here. As you can see, we do have this a picture right here, and you can upload a picture with the restaurant. Let's say I'm just going to upload a photo with me and Christian right here. It's a purpose of this demonstration. Now it can be the business's images from the restaurant inside the restaurant. Let's go ahead and click save and go to the next question. So this is the first thing. So when somebody lands on this business website, they will first be greeted with this first line that you see highlighted in green right here. You see, this is the first part of the bot that's going to fire immediately as someone lands on the website. And it's going to greet people. Hey, welcome to Joey's barbecue. The next part would be, and share you this photo. The next part would be, I don't really like this part. And I can say, may I take your resume? May I take your, actually, let's make this a bit better. We can do this. My name is Joey. Who am I talking to? All right, so the natural next step, so this is going to be the next question that's going to be answered automatically by the chatbot. Okay, now it's natural for people to tell them their name. I mean, it's like Joey's asking you, hey, what's your name? And as soon as they give us the name, we then have it stored in a variable right here that says name. So we're expecting to get the name back. All right. If you're expecting to get something else back, you might want to choose different action type from here. So we're expecting the name. So my name is Joey from, I'm sorry, just a sec. My name is Joey from Barbecue Hot, whatever the restaurant name is. Who am I talking to? Nice to have you here. Then you put the name. And if you don't know what to choose as shortcodes, you can also click on this button right here, where you can add basic emoticons right here. You can add some animated emoticons as well. And you can also use data. And I do want to have my name here because it's going to replace the name that the person is going to tell us. So I do have nice to meet you. Nice to have you. Nice to meet you. Let's select the name again. Nice to meet you. Name. May I take your order? So these are the next steps that, so the first time is going to wait for an answer after the first question. And the second question is going to be this one. So let's go ahead and save this. Even though they did think about it, they had it structured in a different way. So they did greet the name, and they're also working hours from, you can also tell the working hours. If a user contacts a restaurant owner out of the working hours, you can simply just tell them when the working hours are, and that can be taken from here, time, which is working hours, and you can set this as well. And also, it asks you what day would you like to make the reservation. It's natural. And the user is going to answer, let's say, Monday. And we're going to take that question as a date. And then on the next step, you got it. Thanks. What is the time? We're also asking about the time. You get date, you get time. All right. How many people? We do need to know how many people want to make a reservation for the restaurant. So you get this as text. I'm sorry. Let's go. Okay, there also you can ask for the phone numbers. You can for the reservation confirmations, and so on and so on. This chatbot can do a lot of awesome stuff and can automatically take care of business reservations for a restaurant. It can take care of dentist appointments and all of this awesome stuff that you can be doing by using a simple chatbot just like this one. All right, and this is the closing part. Well, we hope you will enjoy the experience and here you're gonna have to replace with the restaurant name. So it's pretty much all done for you. Who else sees the awesome potential behind this? Just give me a one in the chat box really quick so we can move on with our presentation. Who else out there thinks that this can be used in real case scenarios for restaurants, dentists, real estate agents, and any other niche that you can think of? Just give me a one in the chat box really quick. All right. So there's a lot of ones coming in. I love it. Everybody seems to be agreeing with me. That's awesome. Awesome. Cool, guys. Now let's go to the next step. We do have this template selected. Remember, you can select templates or you can start from scratch. If you want to have your own personal made and you cannot find it in the templates, you can start from scratch. But my advice to you, if you're just starting out, is make use of this ready-made chat. All right, it's gonna save you a hell of a lot of time, and it's a huge amount of time. This is a huge time saver. Okay, I see a lot of questions coming in the chat room. I will try to address all the questions at the end of the sessions when we will have a Q&A session. Well, I'll try to respond each and every of your questions. But for now, I'll have to continue with the lesson. Now we have to we'll have to configure where do we want this to be placed. natural. I do want to have it placed on the right side of my screen. It's just a natural thing to have all the chats to the right. It's unnatural to have it on the middle or on the left. It's very natural to have it on the right, since Facebook has all the chats in the right. People are used to chats in the right. I do want to have an offset of 25 pixels from the right side of the edge of the screen. So what this does, the offset in pixel actually moves the chat 25 pixels away from the side of the screen, so it's not right on the edge of the screen. All right, cool. Now you do have a lot of options here. You can play it once per visit. I do want to have this ticked because I don't want people to know that it's an automated chatbot that did the reservation. So if a user revisits the page after 10 minutes, he will not be greeted again by this chatbot. So I'm just letting this tick. I believe this is a new function that's just been added. I haven't seen this yesterday. I do have to see what this does. I'm not really sure what this does. I do also want to hide the avatar after the interaction. All right. I do want to have the show mute button. I don't really want to have that played, but I do want to have the play button here. Start playback muted, attention grabber animation. I do want to have that checked. I also urge you to have that checked in your chatbots. And now we can go also the, so I didn't tell you about the X, Y. The X is vertically and the Y is horizontally. So if you want to have it lifted from the edge of the bottom side of the screen, you can just increase this with like 10 pixels. But I'm not going to do that because I do want to have it on the bottom of my screen, like it's sticking there. Let's make this chatbot example. Let's call this restaurant reservation chatbot. And what I do like to do is also put the business name here, the business name that I'm doing the chat for. So then it's going to be very easy for me to identify which chatbots belongs to which of my clients, of my customers. You can name this however you want, but it's just a practice that I do to keep my stuff organized and know which chatbots are for which of my clients. Great. Now an exit message would be something really generic. Thanks for checking out. Thanks for checking out our restaurant online. Waiting for you to visit us at, you can also put the address here. Let's see. I can do email, phone, date. Don't have the address. Oh, location. Awesome. Visit us at, and the location is going to be replaced with the location of the business. Okay, guys. Now, to automatically translate this text to the visitor's language, and this is a very powerful upgrade. It's only available if you upgrade to international upgrade, which we're going to talk about really soon. Now, this is going to allow you to automatically detect the country that the user has came from, detect their language, and naturally change all the template that you've seen before, including the exit message, and everything that the user is going to see is going to be in his native language. So guys, this is very powerful feature. And I do understand why this is an upgrade for ChatterPal, because it enables people to do this stuff in any country, any world, and anywhere in the world. All right, cool. You also have integration with Zapier. So if you guys are using Zapier, you can integrate this with Zapier as well. You can also remove the branding. I believe if you're having the deluxe version, you get the option to unbrand your chat. So you're not going to see the chatterpal.io branding there. You're going to have none. You can also add your Facebook post. You can put the title and the description right here. But for this purpose of the demonstration, I'm going to pass that along. So let's see. All right, let's put this on my very own webinar registration page. Right? Cool. And the next step would be to create the campaign and save and create. And that's it, guys. This is how easy it is and how fast it is to build an artificial intelligence chatbot for any local business, restaurants, lawyers, wherever you name it, you can have it done in just less than 5 minutes. So guys, tell me, have I kept my promise to you from the start of the webinar? Have I shown you how easy it is to use ChatterPal to build automated chatbots in just 5 minutes? Just give me a quick 5 in the chat box if I've delivered on my promise. Let me check the chat real quick right now. All right, so everybody seems to be agreeing that I did deliver the promise. Awesome, awesome. I love you guys. I love you for being here, and I hope you also enjoyed how I've presented ChatterPal. And as well, we're gonna stick in this lesson by the end. And if there's questions, I will address each and every of your questions at the end of it. All right, cool. Awesome. So let's continue then. In just a couple of minutes, you'll also get the code. It's just generating right now. Rob is asking if I can show you the one I've just created live. Yeah, I can definitely do that. I've did this one in yesterday's masterclass. So let's go ahead and preview this one. We do have the preview page right here. Yeah, but it's not configured, but you get the idea. So let's give it a name. My name is, let's say Rob, because Rob has been asking these questions. Hey, Rob. So boom, the Autobot automatically gets the name, replies it with a name. Okay, and then greets us with more information about the, this has been made for a Would you like to set up a consultation for you? Yes, I would like to do that. Let's just interact with the chat so you can see exactly what these chats are capable of. Sure thing, let's give him the mail. And boom. Remember guys, these chatbots can also be used to gather emails as well. Look at this. Oh, the best phone number. In the phone number. And see how he's using your name again and again. You simply have the feeling that there's a real people behind the chat. And one of our agents will get in touch with you soon. Please do not hesitate to email if you have any questions. And of course, this can be way more complex than this. This is just a simple example of what this can do, but you can configure it as complex as you wish. Actually, you have a lot of conditioning to do with here. All right, cool. All right, so let's get back to our. I think I've covered most of the stuff in ChatterPal. It's really simple application. And let's go ahead back to the training. And I still have a lot of stuff to share with you. Where were we? Here. We've shown the full demo. Okay, so, all right. By now, you should be convinced about ChatterPal. So right now, I'm going to open the offer for ChatterPal. So whoever didn't got ChatterPal yesterday, you can still get it right now at an early bird discount from us, including all our bonuses. And speaking of bonuses, let me show you the amazing bonuses that we've put together for everybody on this call. Right? Cool. So this is the page with the bonuses, but don't worry, even if you click the offer that you're seeing right now in this webinar, you will get all the bonuses that I'm going to show you right now on the screen. All right? Cool. Let me just refresh this page because I think it's cached or something. All right. Let's just load. All right, cool. So let's get into the bonuses. Who else wants to hear about the bonuses that we've put together for ChatterPal? Just give me a 1 in the chat box really quick if you want me to go over all the bonuses that we've put together to go hand in hand with ChatterPal. All right, so let's see. So Fred wants to see the bonuses. Charles wants to see the bonuses. Michael, Lowell, that's great. Stephanie, even though she bought everything, and also Raw bought everything. Hey Ron, just email us in the private, and I'll get with you an email and make sure you're also getting a piece of these bonuses at the end of this. Just because you're live here, I do care about everybody, and I do want everybody to have the same advantage when using ChatterPal. Okay, Svetselinams. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Wants to see the upgrades. We're going to get into upgrades really soon. But first, I do want to mention about the bonuses because they are very limited. They are only available for the next 22 hours, and then I'm going to remove them. But the best way to do it is to just get it right now while we're still on the live call, so I can answer all of the questions you may have about the upgrades or about ChatterPal on how to function with ChatterPal. So let's get kicking. The first exclusive bonus that we've put together for ChatterPal is actually a Twitter bot, auto poster, and it's going to automated Twitter software that you are going to get access for free. It's worth $97, but I'm going to give access to everybody for free. Exclusive bonus number 2, we've put together the chatbot building training step-by-step with audio and video course. And of course, in an easy to follow training that shows you how to build a Facebook Messenger chatbot capable of generating leads for your business. Now, exclusive bonus number 3 is going to be the WordPress support chatbot. And this is a WordPress plugin for business website. You can go ahead and install this very own VP support chatbot and on any of your local business clients. For your local clients or local prospects, you can install them. You can even install this for free for them and then upsell them even more services. All right, cool. So this makes it a cool bonus. It's worth $67. You're also going to get this for free. Now, the exclusive bonus number 4, it's an insider chatbot training. Now, it's the secret marketing strategies that involving chatbots. All right, so we got you covered there as well. It's worth $147. But it's going to be yours for free today. The exclusive bonus number 5, and this is a chatbot templates pack, a collection of bot templates for Facebook Messenger. I know people have been asking in the chat if we have something to work on Facebook. We also thought about that, so this is why we've included this very special bonus number 5, which is exclusive and it's worth $77, but it's also going to be in your download page for free when you get ChatterPal from this live masterclass. All right, let me take a sip of water. Then you get exclusive bonus number 6, which is the social traffic suite that comes with agency license. It's a powerful social syndication platform that will allow you to automatically share your content to all the top social networks, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Telegram, and many more. All right, so this makes perfect sense to combine your chatbots with a social traffic suite that's going to allow you to generate even more traffic on your very own website or your local client's website. Now, one of my personal favorite ones is the exclusive bonus number 7, which we personally created from scratch, and we've made. You've seen me that I've shown you here that you get this. Let me just quickly edit one of these chats. I'll be back. Don't worry about it. Let me just go to where were the chats? So the TTC technology. I'm sorry. Step 2 was okay. Next. Okay, next. Okay, so here you have ready-made scripts, and you have a certain amount of scripts here. And we've seen this when we first tested ChatterPal, and we knew the ones that are missing from here. So we decided to include them in our massive bonus pack inside the exclusive bonus number 7. We've did 20 extra ready-made for ChatterPal templates that you can simply import into ChatterPal and use it right off the gate. All right, cool. And you can set up these templates in a matter of minutes. They're just a few drag and drops away. Like just copy paste the text and just paste it here, and you'll soon have even more than what's coming with ChatterPal. All right, cool. Because we want to be covered from many other niches that are really missing from ChatterPal, and we're trying to provide those as well. It's worth $47, but you're also going to get this one for free. And the exclusive bonus number 8, it's VidCompass apps coming with commercial license, and it's worth $97. You're also going to get this for free with the purchase of ChatterPal. But the fun does not end here, guys. The total worth of our exclusive bonus pack for ChatterPal standard version would be around $876. But with all our bonuses, you get it today for free when you get ChatterPal, all right? But I do want to mention about the OTO extra bonuses that we've put together, because I know a lot of you guys are going to upgrade on this amazing offer with ChatterPal. And I do want to offer our best kept bonuses for any upgrades that you choose with ChatterPal. We're going to get into the upgrades really soon. But first, I want to tell you about the sick bonuses that we've put together for you. Now, we have the first OTO VIP bonus number 1, which is an over-the-shoulder advanced video training for ChatterPal. And I've personally did that just a few days ago. So that's going to be inside your bonus thank you page. You're also going to get my personal video training, besides the fact that you've been today on our live masterclass, which, by the way, the replay of this masterclass, it's also going to be included. We're going to get that as well. OTO VIP bonus number 2, this is worth $197, and it's our sneaky method on selling chatbots to local businesses. All right, you're also going to get this for free when you upgrade to any of the OTOs that ChatterPal has to offer. Last but not least, and this might not count for those who are live because you've been here with us, but I do want to mention about it because the live session that we had today is going to be sold for $997 for everybody else who's not getting my bonuses. All right. So the fact that you're here today with us on the call, you just saved $997 because this is our private ChatterPal case study, a webinar session, masterclass, you call it whatever you want. This is the bonus OTO number 3. So you're also going to get the replay session that we had today and the other day inside your bonus package. So whenever you want to revisit what we've discussed today and all that I've presented here today, you're also going to have access to it whenever you wish for. Okay, cool. And the last but not least, and again, one of my personal favorites, it's the OTO VIP bonus number 4, which is the ultimate email sequence that allows you to sell chatbot installations for local business owners. All right. Now, this bonus right here is very powerful. If you've been following us for quite some time, if you've been following us, you know that we've put together a lot of awesome soap opera sequence for email templates that's allowing a lot of our members to close clients. And we've got a ton of success case studies that from members that use the same templates that you're about to get access to. But this is very targeted on selling chatbots to local businesses. So I wouldn't miss out on this bonus. Okay, cool. And the total worth of the bonus packages for the OTO is close to $2,000, but you're also going to get this all for free if you get ChatterPal, any upgrade with ChatterPal. All right, cool. So for those who want to watch over the bonus page, because there's a lot of other bonuses that's included on my page, I'm not going to explain each and every one because these are the early bird special bonuses. You can see them on this page. We're going to share the page on email with you guys. But I do want to cover one last thing before we start the QA session. Let me get this back as a presenter. Okay, so everybody who has the question about how to claim the bonuses, you either open a support ticket with us, but it's already inserted into our private link. So if you click on the button right here with the offer that's up for the next 30 minutes, you will get instant access to ChatterPal, and also you will get instant access to all my bonuses. All right. So who else wants to hear more about the available OTOs for ChatterPal? Now would be the time to give me a 1 in the chat box if you want me to talk about the OTOs that are available with ChatterPal. So guys, give me a quick one if you're ready to find out what else is there with ChatterPal. I hope everybody remembers when I've been telling you at the start of this presentation that chatbots are not the most affordable things. But the case with ChatterPal is different because you're going to find out soon why is that. I'm going to prove it to you that ChatterPal is the best option you can pick from any other bots out there. Cool. A lot of ones in the chat room. I see a lot of energy. I love it. So we're going to jump right into the bonuses. Now, the first OTO one bonus, it's called ChatterPal Deluxe, and it's going to unlock these extra features inside your ChatterPal account. First, it will unlock you 13 additional 3D avatars immediately. It will also create one new avatar each month for 1 year, but there's no monthly fees or yearly fees. There's just one time. You also get 15 additional advanced chat templates. You get the animated emoticons pack. You get the advanced multi-thread chat branching. You also get unlimited number of chat blocks. You get unlimited video hosting, professional voiceovers from the hottest niches, and you're also going to get VIP support from Paul and his team. And that's only $44 on the early bird. All right. So it's really, really cheap. It's one time. You don't have to pay anything monthly for upgrading to ChatterPal Deluxe, which is going to unlock all these extra features that are presented on the screen right in front of you. Just look at the screen because we're going to go to the next one really soon. All right, so these all the features, all the extra features that the ChatterPal Deluxe, the OTO one, is going to unlock for you. And that's only for the $44 as an upgrade. Now let's jump to the OTO number 2, which is called ChatterPal Agency. And this is going to allow you to do the following things. It's going to allow you to adjust the speed and pitch of text-to-speech. There's more flexibility. I think I've shown you in the demo. Well, I did not mention that I'm using a fully unlocked, almost fully unlocked ChatterPal version. But guys, this one, ChatterPal Agency, this is really worth it because you're also going to get 25 additional chat templates from the popular hot niches. You're going to get the Zapier integration. You're going to have the power to remove the branding from Powered by ChatterPal, which I really find interesting if you want to work with this chatbot with local clients. I think this is a must-have upgrade if you're planning to sell this to local businesses. You are also going to receive 25 green screen videos in the same niche as the chat templates. And this is awesome because you're going to have green screen actors, real green screen actors. I think we're going to pause a little bit and jump, and let me show you what I'm talking about, the green screen actors. Okay, let's go car dealer, whatever. Let's go next. Let me just show you what I mean by using real green screen actors. What's next? Oh, I'm sorry. Here it is. Ready pre-made chat. I'm gonna go with spokesperson, and let's see with chiropractors load. Would this be the one? Huh. All right. Let's see if it changed for us. Oh, which one was it? Don't know if we can preview it right now because I've modified my own. All right. It doesn't seem like I can preview it on the instant, but you get the point. You do get 25. I'm sorry, present. You do get 25 green screen actors that's going to be inside your very own ChatterPal account. You also get the double 3D avatar and TTS speaking length. So from 1 minute, you can go up to 2 minutes for letting this work for you, okay? You're also going to get fill in the blanks client briefs and contracts. You are going to get 5 additional licenses for your agency and your team. So if you want to add team members, that's also going to be possible with ChatterPal agency. And you will have the choice of unbranded generic instant URL domains to show previews to your potential clients. So you get instant previews website. You don't have to install it on the client's website. You can install it in a similar looking website that's hosted on ChatterPal, and you can just show them the preview. You know, hey, local business owner, hey, restaurant owner, here's what I've made for you. Would you like to check out, see how my bot can help you book more clients, get more reservations inside your restaurant, and so on and so on. You can understand the idea. If you are working with local clients and if you wish to use ChatterPal and sell this kind of service to local clients, the agency plan is the right plan to upgrade. You can upgrade to Deluxe, but the agency is the one that you're looking for. All right, and you're also going to get ChatterPal Premium, which is OTO number 3. And what this allows you to ChatterPal Premium includes 49 ultra premium text-to-speech voices that are not available anywhere else. So you get 49 extra ultra premium text-to-speech voices inside your ChatterPal account. And there are the most lifelike voices available on the web right now. And these voices are generally pay-per-use, and it would cost customers thousands of dollars to license them. But you're going to be able to offer these voices to your customers because it contains a commercial license as well. All right, and you get all this voice pack at only one-time payment of only $37, and this is while it lasts today. All right, no recurring costs. You get unlimited usage with unlimited clients. Awesome. And the last but not least is ChatterPal International, and I really like this one. I've noticed that I haven't got mine unlocked, so I'm gonna purchase this as well. The OTO 4, which is an upgrade that activates a very powerful and unique feature in the app that auto detects where the website visitor is coming from, and it translates all the chats to the language without any human intervention needed. So this is pure artificial intelligence at play. You will be able to maximize your conversions and sales as the chat bot sells to people in their native language. And I find this really, really powerful. I simply love this part. I'm going to upgrade for this one myself. And look at the screen right now. You get the English, you get the French, and then you get the Chinese or Korean or whatever the language is. I don't know. But you got the idea. All this can be translated in all languages based on where the user is coming from, which I found it really, really powerful. So I like it very much. All right. So even if you decide to get all the above upgrades, you're still going to pay less. All right. Now here's the catch. You're going to pay less than any other smart boards online that charges up to $399 per month. And these are all just one-time upgrades with ChatterPal. Does this sound like an awesome deal for everybody? I just want to know if this is a good deal for you. Give me a 1 in the chat box really quick. And I can show you some other things before we jump into the QA session. So let's hear it out. Is this a good deal for you? Give me a 1 in the chat box. All right, so let's see who thinks this is a good deal. This is Michael, there's Jimmy, there's Lowell, and there's Gatrell, Timothy. I'm sorry, I hope I didn't misspell your name. I said I'm not a native English speaker, so I do appreciate your guys' patience with my language. Yeah. So bottom line here is that none of the upgrades from ChatterPal are monthly based. So just you pay one time and you use it lifetime. All right. That's the beauty of this ChatterPal. This is why I decided to do this masterclass based on ChatterPal than any other chatbots out there that's basically charging up to $300 every single month. All right. So everybody seems that this is a good deal, and you are completely and absolutely right. The total cost, including all the upgrades, is only $214, and that's just one-time investment. And this includes all the upgrades. You get all the upgrades for just $214. That is if you decide to upgrade to any of that. And on top of that, you're also going to receive my bonuses, which are worth up to 2,800 and something. I have to check. Anyway, you're going to get thousands of dollars worth of bonuses if you decide to upgrade your ChatterPal license as well. I hope that is the kind of deal that you're looking for, you know? So wait no more. You got to join ChatterPal today and secure all our exclusive bonuses. Now, the next step would be, I don't know if the offer is still available here. Let me just check that really, really quick. Okay, so we still have 2 minutes and 55 on the clock. I will ask my my assistant Dennis to also paste in the bonus page link so you guys can also look over the bonuses after you join. Dennis, would you mind dropping off the bonus page link on the chat box so everybody can also have access to our special bonus page? All right, where's the bonus page? Here's the bonus page. I think I'm going to drop this myself. All right, guys. So I see that a lot of you have already got ChatterPal, and that's awesome. You've made a smart decision. Yeah, sorry about that, Dennis. I've seen a lot of you already join ChatterPal, which is good. We've made a good informative decision. But if you also upgraded to all their upgrades, then simply email us after the live lesson, and we'll see what we can do about the bonuses. And we're going to try to hook you up. But for everybody else out there who does not join yet ChatterPal, make sure you are clicking on our link right now and join ChatterPal. Dennis, would you mind dropping the direct link to ChatterPal as well? You can use any of our links in the chat box because both of them are securing you all the amazing bonuses that we have put together. All right, so as promised, at the end of this, we do have a QA session, and I'm here for you if anybody has questions. We're going to start the QA session right now. So, guys, if you have questions before joining or even after join, just drop them into Stephanie, if you bought it from us, if you've been in the lesson that we had yesterday, that's awesome. It means you already have our bonuses locked in. Or you can simply upgrade any of the OTOs from ChatterPal. Simply email us and we're going to leave you the upgrade links. And we're also going to hook you up with our bonuses. Don't worry about that. So let me make this very clear for everybody they're still on the call. So if you guys already purchased your ChatterPal, if you upgrade your ChatterPal with from our link, you are going to get all the bonuses as well. I'm going to give it as a gift. The ones that they are the exclusive ones, I'm going to give it as a gift for you guys. All right, guys. So I know a lot of people are still on the fence. If you are still on the fence, if you haven't joined ChatterPal yet, now would be the best time to do it. And go ahead and join ChatterPal right now and stick with us by the end of this lesson, because we have the QA session going on and it just started. All right, so we've got the first question in. Does ChatterPal integrate with Facebook Messenger or Google Assistant, which works with Google My Business? Grant, I'll have to be frank with you. I'm not sure if ChatterPal works for Facebook and neither for Google Assistant. I think it's a standalone platform. It's a standalone bot that you can configure and install on local business websites. But I'm not really sure if that's the question I can make sense into. I think the best way is to contact Paul directly and ask him that question. All right. How can I get just the OTOs? Okay, Stephanie asked, how can we get only the OTOs? Stephanie, please email us and we'll reply you with the OTO links. So let me just reply you in private, give you my email. Okay. Okay, so Timothy is telling us that he already got the ChatterPal through Deluxe and agency, and he's not having the code on his website. Well, the thing is that I'm gonna tell Timothy I have to answer. So after you generated this, it takes a couple of minutes until you get the preview link, and it takes a couple of minutes until you get this code. So all you have to do is just make sure you're putting your address at the end of it in the configuration, and then just copy paste this code anywhere on your page, but has to be inside the body of your page. All right. All you have to do is just copy that. And you want to see the instant site, you can simply navigate here and it's going to try to open as you can see, it opened my webinar page, but it's not the case we want to see here. But you got it. You can copy the paste and then you can preview it on this link. I hope this answered your question. All right, so I think we have a lot of people who are asking for OTO links. Let me quickly create those and have Dennis share those with you as well. Just a sec. Hold on. We're getting somewhere here. Okay, let me just find my... All right, just a second. I'm going to switch the screen really quick and get back on the chat with you guys. Let me just quickly give you what you... Okay, so for everybody who does want to get the OTO links, sorry, go ahead and email us on the support, and me and Dennis will gonna provide you with that links in just minutes from now, okay? Sorry. Cool. Let me just swap to other questions. All right, so yeah, everybody who wants to join only the OTOs, please open a support ticket. We don't have them ready on this live call, but please open a support ticket and we will immediately respond to that, or leave us your email, open a support ticket, and we will give you the correct OTO links where you can simply upgrade your current version of ChatterPal. That is if you already joined. But if you haven't joined yet, make sure you are clicking one of the link above. Let me make this sticky. Oh, it is sticky. Great. So get a link above. Make sure you get inside ChatterPal, and we'll surely be covering you with all our bonuses. Okay, so Angus is asking, what if a business stops paying the recurring and how do I discontinue it? Well, you simply remove your bot from here. It's that simple. I mean, if they don't want to pay up, you're simply gonna, just pause it or just delete it as a whole. And then they're not going to be able to use that anymore. So it's very simple to control that. All right, let me find some other questions where I can shed some light. Sorry about that. I was talking with my team behind here because we're trying to provide you with the links. How do you preview the app? Well, it's simple. You just hit the preview button right here, and you're gonna have the link that you can share directly. I'm sorry, I'm still opening this one out. Gotta open the other one. Preview. Oh, I'm sorry. Not right. But this one should be, all right? So you can see you do have the preview URL right here. So you can send this directly to your customers, and you can put any page that you want to simulate on the, you can even use their own web page and use it as the page that's displayed behind this, so they can see it in action on their website without installing a single piece of code on their website. After they do provide you with details, you will have to copy the code that I've mentioned above. Simply copy paste this code somewhere on their page and you're good to go. It's that simple. It's just a single line of code to be pasted. All right. Great. Okay, let me just search some other questions. Or should it be in the body or the header? I think it should be in the body. All right. Chandra, I hope I'm spelling your name right, Chandra. It should be placed in the body. That's how I placed it, and it worked for me in the body. All right, let me just find some other questions. Guys, if you still have questions, drop them into the chat box while we're still live, because we're gonna close this in about 10 minutes. Okay, L. Let me just L on the front page of ChatterPal under the video, just L. Yeah, if you guys have any other questions, drop them by. I'm searching for questions right now. All right, so seems like everybody wants to know about the upgrades. So you'll have to excuse me for 2 minutes to make sure my team is connected and provide us with that necessity. Just a sec, guys. We're still here. Meanwhile, if you have questions, put them into the chat box, because we're gonna answer each and every question. I don't want to have one stone unturned on this. All right, let me As you send me your questions, I'm actually looking for the OTO links. But don't worry about it. Even if we can't share it on this live call, we weren't prepared for it. We are going to send it to you at the end of this call. Just hit us up into the support tickets or hit us up on the email. Now, let me see the questions again. All right, so Chandra, you're welcome, Chandra. I'm glad that I've been able to answer your question. Peter says, thanks, Adrian. I love it. Thank you. You always deliver big time. I really appreciate you, Peter. Thank you for the kind words. Let's see, Timothy. Var the above link has no extension at the end of the file, and this one's fine. Upload your images and supporting files. Timothy, I don't know what you're referring to right there. I'm sorry about that, mate. Joanne has an interesting question, and she's asking this. Do you know how to import your own self doing and talking with a video of yourself doing it? I'm sure you're referring how you can do this with green screen videos, with your own green screen videos. Well, let's go ahead and make a quick test, quick demo. Let me find all right, so let me create a new campaign. We're gonna go. This time around, let's go ahead only with avatar, and let's go ahead with the green screen video that I have somewhere around here, because I've been doing a lot of green screens myself. Don't know which one to use it though, but I will. I think I was fine where I was the first time. I've never tested this before, so we might get some mixed results. This is a raw footage of green screen. I haven't managed to edit it in Premiere. I haven't managed to remove the green screen, and I haven't tested ChatterPal by using green screen. All right, so this really Premiere for everybody who's on the call. We're doing this live. I have no clue what to expect out of this one, but it was a good questions from Joanne. Thank you, Joanne. And I would like to demo this as well. You guys still have mixed feelings? You still on the fence about this one, or you still have questions? Put it in the chat box. We're still here for the next 7 minutes when we're gonna close this live lesson. So up until then, please please put in all the questions that you may have. All right, so it's sort of kind of removed already. You can see it kind of removed my green screen. I'll be honest about it. It was not the best green screen video. I personally do want to enhance my green screen videos before I start editing on them. But this did pretty good job actually. Let me just try to. As you can see, my green screen was not perfect. So let's start with this. My green screen and my footage was not 4K, was not perfect, but it is something that we can work with. Okay, let me similarity. Let me try to. Maybe. Nope. This makes it more aggressive. Anyway, I think you got the point that you can remove. Anyway, what I like to do and what I would do, I think the blend is the option that we're looking for. What I would do is actually prepare my footage in Premiere Pro or in other professional editing software. I think I managed to mess it up. I messed it up. So you gotta play with these options right here. So there it is, guys. You can use your own green screen videos and you can edit them and you can use it as instead of the animated 3D avatars, you can use yourself as the green screen option, right? And that's awesome. All right. Oh, I've been left. Okay, let me check some more questions. Timothy asks, where do we paste the code in our page? Anywhere in the body section. If you're using WordPress, you may want to use some plugins that allows you to insert code before and after, or in various places from your WordPress site. Here's an interesting question from Alan. Alan, you might have joined a bit late because we discussed about the price that you can charge for this kind of service. You can charge anywhere from $97 up to $300 and even up to $500 for installing this kind of chatbots and configure it for the business particular needs. All right, I hope that answers your question. You can go anywhere from $97 to $500, depending on their client, depending on their business and their niche. If you're working with lawyers, attorneys, you name it, all this fancy business that are earning more, you can ask for more. But if you're referring to even small businesses, you can start off with a cheaper price, so you at least close and lock in that as your client, and only after that you can start pushing more services to the same business owner. All right, such as website redesign, video marketing services, ranking services, you name it, you can go anywhere from there. Let me check some more questions because we're gonna close this in a few minutes. Okay. Ron has an interesting way of looking at things, and he's asking us if can I install it for free for 1 week on a business website. Actually, Ron, I think that could be a great way to win local businesses' trust. That's a great way to win the trust. Hey, I'm going to install this for free for you for the next 7 days, but after that, you're going to have to pay $97 or $197, the installation fee. If you decide to keep it, you'll have to pay this amount of money plus the recurring income. So it can be a good way to close businesses more quickly by offering a 7 days free trial of your service on their website. And then if they don't decide to keep it, you just remove the bot. And if they decide to keep it, they're just gonna have to pay you the asking price for that. Can you post the link for the OTOs, please? Well, there's multiple links for the OTOs. Now, here's what I'm going to do. Dennis is telling everybody to open a support ticket. So please do that. And we will paste the links as soon as we close this very masterclass. We're going to give you all the links that you're ever going to need to upgrade all of the ChatterPal application. All right, cool. So are there any other questions? Because we've been here for 2 hours. I'm starting to be hungry. This is live and I really have to step out of the office and get something to eat really quick. So if you have any other questions, just type them right now in the chat box, because we're going to stick for the next 2 minutes only. All right, so L comes up with an awesome idea. Install it for free for the next 14 days, then put them on recurring with $19.99 per month and gives a nice income stream. That's really a good tip. L, I should invite you next time to one of my masterclasses to participate with me and give these awesome tips to everybody. So you've heard the man. There's always great value to get in these live lessons. Not just from me, but from the members themselves. Look at this. I've never thought to offer anything for free until L and Ron gave us the idea. So that's a great idea, guys. I really love you. I love the fact that you're so committed to this webinar. Love it. All right, so guys, I really want to thank you everyone for sticking with us in this masterclass live lesson. Now, I enjoyed all your questions. I hope this was valuable for you. I hope there there's been more reasons for you to join my next live masterclass that is going to come, I think, next week, but I'll keep you posted into the email. So if you enjoyed this one, if you enjoyed this live lesson, be sure to look for my upcoming ones as well, because I always try to share the best information, best value in my case studies and webinars. So I really look forward to having you guys on board on the next one as well. And as always, I appreciate your time. I appreciate all the support you guys have shown us so far. We couldn't have made this without you. And again, thanks so much for joining us. You're going to get access to the replay of this very webinar on the bonus page download later this weekend. So yeah, I knew everybody's going to ask about the replay. This is going to be available as soon as I get the chance to process it and put it up on the bonus thank you page. So on the next few days, I mean, I'm trying to put it up tomorrow, but starting tomorrow, it should be there. I'll do my best to have the replay tomorrow, so you can come back to it and review it again whenever you wish for. Again, thanks for buying ChatterPal along with our bonuses. And remember, if you're still on the fence, there's still time to think about it, and there's still time to check out my bonus page and get inside ChatterPal. But you need to hurry, because my bonuses were not going to last forever. So there you have it. Thanks for being here today. And until next time, this is your good friend Adrian, and I'm out with a huge boom to you guys, because I really enjoyed this webinar. I've spent 2 hours, and I can't wait to jump in on the next one. Cheers, everyone, and wish you an outstanding day.